So here's my problem. When I plug in, this is on, yeah? Set correctly. When I plug in the drone. Okay. And it starts flashing red light on, blue light flashing. It shows the receiver as green, so it's connected. When I go to arm the thing, flashes real fast. So it knows something's happening, but it will not arm. The motors won't spin. When I connect it to Betaflight, the motors do spin. Not sure what's up. I'm getting RSSI signals a bunch, so it's vibrating constantly. Maybe if I try... Hold up. Is that it? Okay, so real quick. If this is it. That was jacked all the way up. Watch it work now. Okay, so still the same problem. Not sure what's up. Wait. Okay, that was the problem. Then I had this stick sitting up, so it didn't work the second time. That down, this adjusted all the way to here. That's all you need. Alright, glad I fixed it on camera.